such a long journey. Tasika manje.
Cabin crew, disarm the
Tasika
slide,
mu
please.
Munchen.
Finally in Germany. Yeah. This is Tom Lugo.
This is Munya.
And that's Coco. Hey. Yeah. And the boys.
Hey, this, most of the park, Coco?
Yeah. In the city, taking a stroll. Isn't it beautiful? It's really amazing the way that the artwork is done. And it's a really old building. Munich. Some street music in Munich. That guy plays some good music. And this place in which he's playing, it's just nice. You see all those bicycles? In Germany, bicycles are just as good as cars, guys. Beautiful! I'm busy. Time to go. This is the Jamaram house, and there's always music. Always music.
Para nunca volver.
So having dinner with the band. Oh, that's Max right there.
It's
delicious.
dish. Huh? What is your?
It's a vegan now.
Yeah, so it's like, what you gonna eat? Nothing.
Happenings and to go for lifelong. Today, tomorrow, and by you. Yo, my lady, lady. Sweet, 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 sweet. Sugar, sugar honey. Sweet, 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 sweet. Vámonos.
Vámonos. Yeah. This is Big Nick, Jamaram's percussionist. Look at how tall he is.
I'm very tall.
There
is not enough room to swing a cat by its tail here.
Yeah. So this is where I'm staying. This is where me and one of my Zimbabwean colleagues is staying actually. Yeah, it's the house belongs to Jamaram's saxophonist called Peppy. And that's his big brother Benny. He's also in the band Jamaram. This is a beautiful house in the countryside. It's amazing. Yeah. Packing the truck. Today we perform in Vienna. Guys, this is Tom. Nasit kunoridzira ku Vienna.
Nasit kumburia. No, say it again. Na?
You almost got it. Nasit kunoridzira ku Vienna.
Nasit no so good as get it. No Vienna.
Genau.
Ja, genau. Akaipa.
Akaipa, Baba. Yeah.
See that town down there? That's Salzburg. That's where Mozart is from. Right there.
Yeah?
Yep.
We're almost in Vienna.
Yeah, but the journey was very long, like 5 hours, yeah? Yeah. Oh, but anyway, just 2 minutes, tapped in a graph.
Yeah, finally. Tashika manje. Picnic! How you doing?
Fine.
We're here, finally, yeah.
Okay, so Ruparting is before me Ranasab.
It's a nice stage, guys. That backdrop is the Gorilla, which is on our collaboration album design. You know, the heavy. Yeah.
It's like a Ferrari.
Give me Ferrari.
Like it's amazing.
Yeah.
Munya is awesome. And the keystroke down the door. Whenever I think about it, maybe of you, took a crazy chance. Next time I'll be true.
That's not impressive.
I'll be true.
Yeah, it's not impressive.
I'll be true. And you see the ones in bright, those in darkness. Drop.
Happy? Are we out of Austria now?
We are not really out of Austria. We are at one of the evilest points in Austria. It's called Braunau, but it's near the border. It's near the border, and Adolf Hitler has been born there.
Oh, okay. Alright. Construction in my roads, it's amazing. Eh?
The sun rises and the sun goes down. The haze is back in the place where it grows. That you think's a big ass again. Falling all things wearisome and satisfying eyes and satisfying sin.
Finally, we're out of Austria. Yeah. Let's look at Germany, yeah? It's been a long drive. Yeah. So we're here at the Bavarian Broadcasting Company in Munich for our interview.
Hey, good evening. This is Germany. This is Munich City. This is Jamaram and the Acoustic Night Allstars here in Bayern Dry Studio, which is one of the, you can say, biggest, most famous radio station in Bavaria.
Yeah? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in Bayern 3 hier gibt's das Acoustic Night Allstars alongside Jamaram mit I'm Ready von der Heavy Platte. 1, 2, 3. I'm ready, so ready for you. I'm ready, so ready for you. Oh, sitting at the bus stop early morning, waiting for the bus to arrive. See this morning blazing hot young lady, give me a twinkle with her eye. Whoa, oh, oh, that girl, she makes me sigh. She lifts me up high like a butterfly. I'm ready, so ready for you.
So right now we're cooking sadza. We actually realized recently that it's called polenta here in Germany, and it happens to be our staple dish in Zimbabwe. This one is yellow, but normally it's white because of the white maize. And it tastes really good. So you can save it with vegetables and meat and help yourself.
Sadza ni nyama nujinu naga. Zim, you're great.
Lion is enjoying the food.
Sadza, man. Last time I had rice, reen, adobe. This time it's sadza time. I'm so happy. This meat is the bomb. Garlic, soy sauce, slow cooking. The slower you cook it, the better.
Yeah.
Da kannst du deine Tasche nur noch deinen Laptop und deine Zahnbürste.
Und eine Kontrabassklarinette. Das sind 2 Instrumente.
Nur noch meine.
Aber die sind steady immer dabei. Ja. Das ist die Nina Jansen, das ist die Klarinettistin.
Okay.
Und das Kontrabassfagott weiß ich nicht, wer spielt, aber...
Ja. Ja, krass, ey.
Ich habe 3 Koffer im Keller, das ist ja nicht mal angeschaut.
Wäre interessant, da mal auch mal was anzuhören. Zapper.
Wie kann ich mich bei Airbnb?
Hast du dann ein Album mit denen mit modernen Zapper?
Kannst du dich machen?
Ja.
Handshop. Und haben uns eingekleidet.
It's usually very cold in Germany, especially just after winter approaching summer. You never know when the weather is going to change. You know, it's been so cold in these past few days. So right now I'm making sure that I enjoy every bit of this good weather. Basking in the sun.
Ja, gerne. Alter! Du musst einfach denken, es ist total bescheuert easy. Bam, bam, bam. Go whiny, whiny!
Sam.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man? You guys ready for the final concert?
I'm ready, man.
It's the final countdown.
Yep. It's the final concert.
Hey,
Tendex, how you doing? Tendex, say. Say, Tendex!
Tendex must be sleeping.
Tendex is in the back.
In the back of the truck.
The back of the truck.
Yeah.
We have to hide him. Tendex is like a dangerous person. We have to hide him for the public.
Hi, Mom. Shortcuts. Alright guys, check out the backstage. This is where we're going to be performing with Jamaram tonight. This is where we're doing the release of the Heavy Heavy. There's going to be at least 1,500 people coming to this concert tonight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Geil.
I'm ready, so ready for you. I'm ready, so ready for you. Sitting at the bus stop early morning, waiting for the bus to arrive. See this more than hot young lady, give me a twinkle with her eye.